No way.
Honey, can you fix a boat?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I can fix this.
Can you?
I think I can. It's got a big Chevrolet engine in it.
What the hell happened to it?
It looks like something out of Jaws.
Seriously, it's been
Boom, 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 boom.
it's been shipwrecked here.
See, here's the problem. Do you see what's happened?
No. It's tipped
The
sideways.
pontoons are down in the water. Thus, the boat's going to be in the water.
Maybe we should turn them
We
on for the
can't.
people.
He's got it locked. He's got his box locked.
Oh. Man,
I can't,
that's bad.
I can't believe that.
The boat is in horrible condition. Who, Clark? Why do you pay for a
But that's
marina
cool,
slip?
That is a cool looking boat.
Maybe if it was.
Potential. It's got an area right there. Look, you could lay right there. Another person could lay on the other side. Yeah, you need this, Carla.
It's your project.
No. Hell no.
There's our boat.
That's our little one.
And she's not a
We
project.
just got her back out of the water. We were out on the lake. It ran really nice.
All by ourselves.
All by ourselves on a foggy day on the lake.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Okay, that's all for now.
Signing off.
Bye.